Gulzar Group of Institutes was started in 2009. It's a college of its own kind in this region, and it is catering to the academic needs of the students of this region. Our college is making a meaningful endeavor to equip the youth to face the competitive world of engineering and technology.
We felt there is a huge gap which exists in the way education was being taught in this part of the country and what the industry needs. Hence, GGI came into existence. We brought in latest concepts of teaching, latest technologies which students would be exposed to.
We got to know about the requirement of Gulzar Group of Institutes, which was for 150 computers. Looking at the requirement, we found Windows multi-point server to be a perfect fit.
When Windows Microsoft Server option was evaluated, we found it really interesting because we were not only saving costs, we had a huge backing of Microsoft and HP in this scenario. We calculated the cost savings. Initial cost savings were quite huge, very substantial.
Definitely, this technology is very much advanced and it is cost effective also. As for just 150 PCs, like we have 150 PCs in our lab, we are requiring, if they were standalone PCs, then we were requiring at least 5 IT people to handle it, for installing softwares, for handling the network, for handling the domains, etc. But right now, I have only one person to handle it.
Windows multi-point server integrates smoothly with Active Directory and allow access to all the 900 users without any extra configuration.
If I am working on this very station, I feel hungry, I go for lunch, I come back but I see that this seat is occupied. So I have no worries, I can simply sit on this station, that station, and then simply log in and I get home of my data there.
It requires very less space. Instead of using other PCs, we have to connect the CPUs also, which requires a lot of space.
Multi-point server provides us interactive learning. It's enjoyable while working on it.
Hello students, today's the topic is networking to use the multi-point server.
When we exposed our students to this technology, we did not tell them what it is about. And they were using it as if they were using their own PC, which was a very encouraging factor for us.
I'm using this Windows multi-point server 2011, and seriously it is wonderful as it provides me the techniques of viewing thumbnails, as I can project my desktop to student desktops, as I can monitor each and every student, as I can block my student desktops, and also even the splitting of screens is a very good feature of it.
We have to be leaner, we have to be meaner, we have to be cheaper. Only then we can aim to be better than the rest.
The reason I suggested this to Gulzar Group of Institutes was because of the low capital investment, because of it being very easy to deploy and manage, and because it is very low on the power requirement.
We would be looking even at a cost of lesser than maybe 20 to 30% at what it is now. The technology is new, but it has got huge potential.